G'day everyone, I'm here outside GPT Space&Co at 181 William Street in Melbourne, CBD. And I've got some exciting news to share about DataEngBytes 2025. We've just booked out the entire mezzanine level of this premium workspace for something really special, our hands-on workshops. And look where we are, right here on Bourke Street, literally next to a tram stop. You can't get any more convenient than that in Melbourne. Here's what's happening. Wednesday, July 23rd, that's the day before our main conference kicks off. We're running 6 intensive workshops right here in this beautiful space. But here's the catch. You'll need a DataEngBytes conference ticket to register for these workshops. Look, conferences aren't just about sitting back and listening to talks. This is your chance to actually get your hands dirty with some of the latest technology in data engineering and machine learning. 6 workshops, 1 day, premium venue, and you'll walk away with practical skills you can use immediately. Plus, when you're done for the day, just hop on the tram right here and you're connected to anywhere in Melbourne. It doesn't get any better than that. So grab your conference ticket, secure your workshop spot, and I'll see you right here on July 23rd. Trust me, you don't want to miss this.